Hello, this is Judy. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be working on day 25 of Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches. This sketch is by Brandy Jo. It's a very easy sketch, so this should be a quick video. So it has your base cardstock, which in this case is black with some splatter on it. A couple of banners of cardstock with a dovetail edge. And maybe some washi tape in the two corners and arrows. So it's a really nice sketch. Leaves a lot of room for you to play around with different things. So I have photos of my grandson at the playground that they went to when I was there, and I just followed him around with my camera and took so many photos. This particular photo session is on a boat. It's called the Funny Train. They had a whole bunch of buttons and he played with them, and it was just so funny. And he, I was asking him questions and he would like look at me and like try to talk, and it was just so cute. But anyways, I thought these worked perfect for this sketch. And the photos don't match the background paper that I wanted to use. This is the train paper, the only train paper that I have for childish, photos. So it's like, oh, what am I going to do? I could ink it and bring some blue in and, make it work. Especially on the white, right? It really doesn't look good. But wait, if I change the background paper to this yellow, now the photos look just fine. Because all of a sudden the yellow pulls in the yellow from the train, and the yellow is in here, and the blue is your magnet color, or you could even say the red is, or the orange. All three of those colors are not in your background. I'll probably use a couple of different colors in the banner pieces that I'm going to use, but it's just so cute. Just so I'm not sure what I'm gonna title it. Maybe Choo Choo. I don't know. I've got this really cute title. I could cut out the letters and use that. I also found this border. I thought, oh my gosh, that is just too adorable. Let's see what else I have. I pulled in this, which has all the colors, so I could use that as one of the banners across, but it doesn't really go with this, so probably not. This paper goes with all of them, including the blue, so that might be a definite possibility. This star paper goes no, probably not. We're going to trash that one. I do have some journaling cards that I would like to incorporate. I don't have a lot to say. We've worked through this story. It's going to have several layouts of this playground. These were some punches I did at a previous layout, and I didn't know if I might be able to incorporate them as a topper, instead of the one that was at the top and the bottom. I could figure out a way to use them. Let's see, maybe this one. Yeah, because this one is the upside down side. So maybe this side would work. So you do that. Then I also have this sticker, but I think with the border, probably won't need too many of the stickers. I do have a wow. And I have another sticker here of a train. And I have right on track. I could use that as to put on one of the photos, just for a little side label. And I do have this one that says, "What a cutie pie," but it's very light. If it were darker blue, it'd probably be okay. I might be able to outline them with a blue pen and see if that would work. Let's see. I think that's about all that I had pulled to play with this. So I'm going to do a little bit more, and then I will be back. I'll probably cut this out and use... Well, see, cute kid is one thing, but it doesn't really say what the photo is about. It's about the choo-choo train, right? Cute kid. Choo-choo cute kid. Okay, I don't know, whatever. I could incorporate it somehow. Okay, I'll be back in a minute. All right, this is where I'm at. I took this and cut it off of, I cut that strip of plastic in half to get rid of that other part because it was distracting. I cut apart these letters and they work. My dog got a new squeaky toy today, so I'm sorry about that. She just had to come down and let me know she was here. And I cut these flags out and I put them on Bluebird. Hang on a second. All right, so I put those little flag banners on that Bluebird as well. I put Bluebird behind the train. I'm trying to make it all come together. That paper is making it difficult, but I want to use it. I should just change it, but I'm going with it. Bringing this in really brings all the colors together, even though there isn't any aqua here. So I'm wondering, I've got these two little labels. This could go down here. That looks good. And this orange is up, could go up here. Now the title, I like it, but I really wanted it to be something like Choo Choo. And then I was saying, well, what if I do the letters like it has here and just put it Funny Train? So I looked on Cricut to see if I could find that kind of a font. And I think I did. It's called Glowworm, and it's not quite the same, but it's kind of the same. So I'm going to cut those out in all these different colors and see how that looks. If that doesn't work, I could do it all in the same color. So we'll see. But I'll be right back with those letters cut out. Okay, I decided I was going to do the light side of the yellow instead of the darker side. I don't know. I don't know why. I just am. And I brought out my shimmer brushes to do the splatter. So I'll get my craft mat out just to protect my surface because, yes, this month I've had a few accidents. So I would rather not have any more. So I'm going to open it off of my project. All right, and the first color I'm going to use is Clover, which is a rich green, really primary green color. And I think I might have wiped a lot of it on the paper towel when I opened it. So just squeeze it and get the ink down, and that might be too bright for me. So let me get some more off. We're going to give it a light tap. And I can tell it's green. I'm going to quickly try to soak it up with some paper towel and see if I can lift any of that deep dark color. And actually it seems to be lightening up. So we'll do a little bit more. Of course, that's going to be where the photo is, so that's okay. There. Give it that nice green that I would like. That's what's in the bottom where the choo-choo train is. So that's good for the green. And now I'll do the other two colors. I did Bluebird and the Lemonade, and yeah, it really really brought it some shine. Oh my goodness, a lot of shine. I like it. It's a good thing. I'm going to commit and lay down all my parts, and then I will be back and show you what it looks like. All right. I have everything down except for the title. What do you think? Do you think it's going to work? I think it is. I think it looks pretty good. I had to layer it onto white, and then so it had the white in the highlight area of the letters, and then I put it on that blue to match all the other pieces. So this is good. And you know, I could do journaling here. I have something that I had cut out with some lines on it, so I'll see if I can find it and put it there for just a little journaling on how he liked this. And oh, there's something. Maybe I could use this. Oh, it'll have to go on this side. You could put it here. And that's that other tealy color too, so it'll help bring that in. Gotta move it over a little. I don't like having that white show that was caught in right in that area. All right, so there was my journaling. And I've got playtime there, and what a good boy am I for the representation of the washi tape that was in the layout. The only thing I added that wasn't was this. And well, actually she had arrows, so that could be the arrows, and this could be my representation of the arrows. So I think I did pretty good with that. And close-ups will be following. Here's the sketch again to see. She didn't have a title listed, so I used that as a title, and then that as the train border. So I added the middle strip is all that I did. So I'll put close-ups at the end. And thank you for watching. I hope you like this. I think it turned out a lot better than I thought it was going to. I'm so glad. Have a great day.